Today I'll show you how to make animated charts in Filmora 15, step by step, in a way that is easy to follow. Unlike After Effects, this feature lets you turn spreadsheet data into clean, moving charts without any keyframing or extra software. So it's great for quick explainer videos or reports. Start by opening Filmora 15 and creating a new project. In the main editor, go to the Effects section at the top. Then choose Video Effects in the left sidebar. Look for the exclusive V15 folder and click the Animated Charts option to open the tool. When the Animated Charts window opens, pick the chart type that fits your data. You'll see options like bar, line, pie, donut, column, bar chart race, which is very popular on YouTube, and donut chart race on the left. Let's click donut chart race and watch the preview update so you can see how your choice will look. Next, add your data by going to the Data tab at the top of the window. You can type values directly into the table by double-clicking cells, or click Import to upload a CSV or Excel file. I used ChatGPT to get data of top 10 YouTubers of the last 10 years. After importing, check the data mapping settings to make sure Filmora uses the right columns for categories, values, and time if you have time-based data. So, for the category, I choose channel name. For value, I choose estimated subscribers. And for time, I choose year. Now, switch to the Preview tab to change how the chart looks. Looks great to me. You can choose dark or light mode, a color palette, and set the main font type that matches your video. Use segments to adjust opacity and other style options. In my case, the donut hole, corner curve, and padding. I can also change the color of bars individually or add an image instead. In the Labels section, I can adjust the text style of the animation, like font size, type, style, color, and where it will be shown. Also, you can add or remove value and percentage here. In the Background section, I can adjust color and opacity. In the header, I can adjust the name of the animation. In Format, I can set the numbers look. Here I can also set prefix, suffix, and units. Lastly, in the Animation segment, I can set the animation duration. Let's click the Add to Timeline button to add it to the timeline. It will take some time to render. It's done. Let's play it. You can move the clip, resize it in the preview window, and change its duration like any other clip. If you need to update the data or style later, click the Edit button of the chart clip on the timeline to reopen the Animated Charts window and make changes. That way, you can refine the chart after seeing it in context with your video. That's all it takes to make a polished animated chart in Filmora 15. The tool is simple to use, and it saves a lot of time when you need clear, data-driven visuals for your videos. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Also comment, what problem do you want me to solve in the next video? Take care and bye.